This is either going to be the coolest video I've ever made or the worst video I've ever made, and I'm really, really hoping it's the first one. Just saying. Hello everyone, my name is Savannah, and today I am here again with my piano. This is my new keyboard, actually. I'm pretty sure this is my first video with my new keyboard. So, woo, look at that. Beautiful. Yes, I have sweatpants on. Don't judge me. Today is a special, different video, not just because I have my new keyboard, depending on what YouTube wants the thumbnail to be, because I can't choose that, sadly. You either already kind of know what the twist is, or you have no idea. And I'm not going to tell you, you're going to have to figure it out on your own, but it's going to be pretty easy to figure out. I'm just saying. Here is Sledgehammer by Fifth Harmony with a little bit of a twist, so here we go. If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heart beat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer. I don't admit it, I play it cool, but every minute that I'm with you, I feel the fever, and I won't lie, I break a sweat. My body's telling all the secrets I ain't told you yet. I struggle to contain the love that's in my veins, how it circulates. If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heart beat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer. You're taking over the beat of my body, you just don't let up. Don't let up. You're taking over the beat of my body, but you lift me up, lift me up. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. So close together, so far apart. You turn me on and my fire is waiting for your spark. I struggle to contain the love that's in my veins and how it circulates. If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heart beat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer. You're taking over the beat of my body, you just don't let up, don't let up. You're taking over the beat of my body, but you lift me up, lift me up. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. Truth is out, no stopping now. I'm getting closer. I've had enough, undress my love. I'm coming up. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer, hammer, yeah. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heart beat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer. taking over the beat of my body. You just don't let up, don't let up. You're taking over the beat of my body to lift me up, lift me up. If you take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heartbeat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer. And that is all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the special little twist I put on it. There was 2 of me. No, I do not have a twin. I promise there's not anyone like hiding secretly under my bed that can also sing. It's just editing tricks, I promise. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I might do more of these depending on if I get a lot of thumbs up, you know, good ratings on these kinds of videos. So, I mean, give it a thumbs up if you want more like this one where there are 2 of me. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And again, my name is Savannah and I will see you guys next time.